Easy and delicious pumpkin bread pudding that does not require any advanced planning or prep. That is my kind of dessert. We're gonna get this done in under 40 minutes. First thing you wanna do is take a loaf of brioche bread that is about 1 pound, and you're gonna cut it into 2-inch squares. Add all the bread to the Ninja Possible Cooker Pro, and then you're gonna turn it on high, sear saute, and we're gonna lightly toast up these bread cubes. While the bread is toasting, let's go ahead and get our pumpkin custard mixed up so that we are ready to go when the bread is finished. You're gonna need 15-ounce can of pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, just pumpkin. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar packed, and 4 whole large eggs. And then take a whisk, and you're gonna whisk until all the ingredients are incorporated. I'll give you a hint, a bigger mixing bowl is gonna be a lot easier. I could not get it mixed well enough in that small bowl. Hey, things happen. This is real life cooking. There we go. Now we can whip this up. All right, once all the ingredients are incorporated, you're gonna add in your spice blend. You could use pumpkin pie spice blend if you like, or you can use my spice blend, which I will put on the screen right now for you. You're gonna take some tongs and lightly toss around the bread cubes. They are gonna toast, obviously, on the bottom and the sides because the heat is on the bottoms and the sides of the pot, so we wanna kind of turn them over. This is gonna toast them just lightly on all sides. The alternative is you can certainly, if you are a planner, you can put the bread cubes out on a cooling rack overnight and let them kind of stale up a little bit. This just helps the custard absorb into the bread pudding but not make it super mushy. About every minute or so, just give them a little toss. We're gonna continue to toast for about a total of 3 minutes after the preheat has finished. All right, that looks great. Now go ahead and turn the Possible Cooker Pro off, and we're gonna pour in our custard and do a little bit of a folding technique to get the pumpkin custard coated all over the bread cubes. All right, once the custard is folded into the bread, then what we're gonna do is put the lid on, and we're gonna go on the bake function at 250 degrees for 30 minutes. When the time is up, open up the lid and let the bread pudding sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before you dish it out. You can serve it warm, or you can let it come fully to room temperature. And there we go. Delicious, warm pumpkin bread pudding. Oh my goodness. Now it's not complete though without a little caramel sauce and vanilla sauce. Oh my goodness. It's the perfect dessert.